Okay, so now that Naida knows what she needs to do with the pancakes, I'm gonna get started on the eggs. Sophie, I know that you finished the bacon, so if you can just move the bacon from the stovetop to the platter, that'd be great.
Mm-hmm. Ow!
Oh no!
Oh my god, are you okay?
No, not
Guys, it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna call the hospital.
No! She needs AuAuAid. Jim!
Give me a second.
doing.
Here.
Thank you. Feels better.
Hello, my name is Naila Morris, and I'm going to be talking about the problem that AuAuAid is trying to address. In the food industry, ranging from common grocery stores that offer takeout food to fast food restaurants, working with grease is an occupational hazard. According to the CDC, work-related burns are the leading cause of occupational injury in the United States. Almost 1.1 million people in the US suffer burns each year. There are studies showing a substantially high number of burns injuries occurring in the workplace, ranging from 10 to 45% of all burns. Many are often grease burns, where people suffer from first to third degree burns. The problem with burns and normal band-aids is that you don't want to wear a normal band-aid since it can hinder skin healing and can cause chronic problems. Sabina's story. Sabina works in a multinational retail corporation, washing dishes and helping with the fry line. She was burned by hot oil and since then has a scar going from her elbow to her wrist. And she going from her elbow to her wrist. It is healing, but very slowly, and she doesn't have the time to go to the doctor. Our product is addressing the problem of burns in occupational fields, especially those that blue-collar workers work in, that don't have the time to go to a doctor or the money or resources needed to take time off of work. Our product is addressing something that many other products don't, since it is helping people with burns that they can get in the industries.
Thank you, Naila. And our idea to counteract this very prevalent issue is to create an over-the-counterable and accessible Band-Aid that is designed specifically to treat burn wounds using a fish collagen extract. In our current times, a lot of people either don't have health care or can't go to hospitals due to the current COVID-19 epidemic, and so we really place an emphasis on making sure that this Band-Aid would be accessible to everybody. Next, Adem will be discussing the design that we created for this Band-Aid.
Today I'm going to be talking about the design of AuAuAid. AuAuAid is made to treat burn wounds. It does this through a chemical process. AuAuAid also uses collagen in the bandage. The collagen actually allows for a faster healing process that will not leave as much of a scar post-recovery. This basically occurs because the bandage is hydrating the skin while binding it, and this is made possible through the collagen. A normal Band-Aid does not have the ability to do this, which is what makes our bandage unique. Our bandage also uses bamboo to help make the bandage more breathable and more comfortable for the user. We've actually incorporated a design for the bamboo from clothes that are made out of bamboo. This is more eco-friendly and it's better for the environment as well since we're using the bamboo, which can grow back faster, which means we can use more bamboo and more AuAuAids as we're supplying these to households across the country. Next up, Jim will explain to you the science behind AuAuAid. Thank you.
Thanks, Adam. There are 4 degrees of burns. First-degree burns are only affecting the epidermis, or the outer layer of the skin. Most of us might have already experienced such burns. They hurt a bit, cause the skin to appear red because of vasodilation, and usually don't leave any scars. Second-degree burns are going a bit deeper and affect, besides the epidermis, the dermis. These burns may be very painful, and the skin may be blistered or swollen while being moist. Second-degree burns may cause scars. Third-degree burns are going through the epidermis and dermis and reach the hypodermis, which contains fat, blood vessels, and nerves. The burn site may appear patchy in color. The color is ranging from white to brown, and the skin may be dry with leathery texture, while little or no pain can be felt. Even if the wound is treated properly, scars may occur. Fourth-degree burns are very bad, and mean the destruction of all previously mentioned layers. It may also affect muscle tissue and bones, while being usually painless. Third and fourth-degree burns need to be treated by a professional, and on any important area occurring second-degree burns as well, but not everyone can go to a hospital. Our product may not be expected to help much with third and fourth degree burns without going to a hospital, but first and second degree burns may be treated with AuAuAid without consulting an expert first. Well, we must recommend doing so. Our product is just a first aid or of use if nothing else is available. The longer a burn injury needs to heal, the more problems it may cause, which is why the wound should regenerate as quickly as possible to decrease problems like scarring, tightness, and chronic issues. Collagen is used, for example, to give the skin its structure. Since the skin needs collagen to recreate its structure, we thought that collagen-infused bandages may increase the healing rate and lessen scarring, providing an additional source to get the precious collagen from may be beneficial. Providing an additional source to get the precious collagen from may be beneficial. Providing the extra collagen may also help people and elderly who produce less of it or have less collagen supply available to their skin. To protect and provide moisture to the regenerating wound, we decided to use more sustainable bamboo fibers rather than artificial fiber. This should keep the moisture in and germs out after the disinfectant was applied. We are also considering to make use of the antibacterial properties of silver, while being aware that silver in too high concentrations may cause its own issues. Since bamboo and used fish skins are having less impact on Earth's resources than comparable solutions, we do consider our product to be sustainable and biodegradable. If the final product makes use of silver, we may have to rethink how to dispose and recycle it. The effects and use of our products are still subject to inspection and tests in lab, which was not available or possible to us given the unprecedented times we are in right now. Now Naila will tell you about the opinion of professionals.
We reached out to a professional who works at American Family Urgent Care. She told us that burns are a cause where people come in and need help. After explaining the product to her, she told us that this was something that they didn't have and could use as well. She also gave us some research to do moving forward to maybe address other types of injuries that could use this product that could help them with wound healing. This product can also be used in places where healthcare isn't as easily accessible and can mean that people can get help without the need of a physician for burn-related help. Our next steps moving forward are to go out and find a research lab that we could cooperate with in order to develop the product further and possibly create a real product to help people. Our product differs from other products that help with burns because it uses collagen that is often used in burn treatment wards in hospitals. Not only that, our product doesn't solely focus on hydration, but also better wound healing, minimizing scarring, and lastly, being biodegradable, or at least bio-friendly.
Is that it?
Stop recording. Yeah.
We did it! I feel bad because I was screaming.